They knew it was just a matter of time.
It then goes to the wellhead and then down the casing.
2 years ago, the oil men of West Texas were riding high. Oh my goodness, oil was over $100 a barrel.
That's gold, that's liquid gold.
They didn't gloat. They knew very well the history of oil. You don't believe it's here to last?
No, sir, it's not here to last. I've been through two of them. Two of the busts. Just comes and goes as part of it.
That was the boom. Then came the bust. On the floor of the NYMEX, where they placed bets on the future price of crude, traders have been rocked by huge price swings.
It's been very tough. The market really has been very unforgiving here.
The problem is there's oil everywhere. The frackers keep pumping. Production's only fallen slightly from near record levels. And Saudi Arabia is priming the pumps. The story of the past few weeks, volatility. Oil bounced back in the last days of August, and the frackers are still in a tough spot.
The firming up that we've seen in the prices doesn't change the fundamental fact that you're still very much in an oversupplied situation. We've got far too much supply for too little demand.
The frackers who've resisted pressure to cut may be forced to do so soon. The bankers are running out of patience.
October is a point where the banks will relook at how much they want to be giving out in loans. The amount of capital that these companies can get a hold of may start to be pinched off.
Investors are already running scared. Energy stocks have been volatile. Bonds issued by energy producers are losing billions of value. Oil and gas firms Quicksilver Resources and Endeavour International have filed for bankruptcy, and the fear is more firms may fail.
At some point you'll see more merger and or bankruptcy and then acquisition.
From West Texas to the Badlands of North Dakota, the new age of oil barons relish the battles with OPEC and insist they will survive.
The Saudis and the OPEC haven't killed American oil, haven't killed American shale. What they've done is make it faster, stronger, better, and more ready to compete with them going forward.
Oil enjoyed its biggest rally in decades over the past week. Still, the U.S. energy landscape could look very different very soon.